Hi, this is Julie with Three Sisters Sundries. It has been probably a year since I posted a video. A lot of things have happened in my life, including a move from Utah to Florida. Here at this house, I'm sharing a house with my sister, and we have set up our craft space. So today I thought I would show you how we did that. Okay, this is the doorway to our room. So I think this room was meant to be a sunroom. So we have plenty of windows for natural light. So under these windows, I still have my great-grandmother's desk. It was heavy to move, but we got it here. And then over there is Sally's desk. And here we have a computer screen so that we can watch movies, videos, whatever. In front of this cart, we have our two Raskogs that we keep our stuff to be handy. And behind it on the the cart that the computer's on is where I have my Silhouette and supplies for that. And I think I have some embossing and fuse tool and some extra little tiny albums and whatnot. That's what's in there. And on my cart, I keep my most used tools, my pencils, pens, my scissors, my stapler and punches. Down on this shelf, I have all my adhesives. It's a lot, I know. Down here, I have my sprays, and in this tin, I have pastes and like texture paste and glitter glaze and that kind of thing. Sally has, I don't know, what do you have?
I have randomness.
Tim Holtz stuff, pine cones from the yard.
That is projects that I am in progress on.
Okay.
And that's all my embellishments.
Okay, so she got these little bags, these little mesh bags to put embellishments in. So she has sorted those out to make them work for her. And then her desk is on this side. And we each have some pegboards. She has not decided quite yet how she wants to completely set that up. But I have a lot of stuff on mine. These are the same pegboards I had over my desk in Utah. And then I had one more pegboard over my sewing machine, which is now in my closet because this just does not have enough room. So I've put some sewing supplies in that one. The other one has all my other crafting stuff. And when we come around, behind Sally's desk was where my Alex units fit the best because of door placement to the garage. So I have mostly sewing supplies in these first drawers, but then I have this random embellishment drawer in amongst all the sewing because I just had to figure out a different place for embellishments. I used to have the picture hanger hanging over my desk with them all hanging on that, and that was just too much. I purged a lot of that. Then in these drawers, I have my extra plates and some craft mats, card making supplies. This is a Tim Holtz drawer. This is a fun drawer, but it's full, and I have more than that didn't fit. Here, this is like my mixed media drawer. So I have alcohol inks and then papers and random things. And then here I have punches. Here I have a few more embellishments. These are mostly Queen and Company. Here I have some more sewing supplies. So obviously I did not get that very well organized, but these are like snaps and little animal eyes and stuff. Oh, these are the sequins. There's also some over on my cabinet over there, my shelf. Anyway, these are beads and glitter, it looks like. More beads, because I have a lot of those too. Here we have this is kind of a random drawer. So this has my wax seal and then some spray adhesives and I don't know, random sprays. Ribbon. These are cards that I've made. Fit very nicely in this, I don't remember what this is called, but this nice little bin from IKEA. And then I just have a few small projects back there that I've started and never finished. This is like general crafting, little bottles in here, stuff that I make Christmas ornaments out of and stuff. And then these are my tools. So I have my little sidekick, my glue gun, glue sticks. I just got this light, so I'm kind of excited to try that, and just some general tools. And then this tall, as you can see, this is a taller Alex unit. It's not as deep, but everything in there is junk journal supply. And then on top I have this We Are Memory Keepers punch holder. I can't remember what it's called. Anyway,
That's what it's
holds all my punches and my stamping platform and my scoreboard and stuff. And on top of my Alex units is just stuff that really couldn't fit anywhere else. So I have all my letters. And this room is kind of nice. It has a big, wide, what'd you call that? Ledge in front of the windows all along the whole room. And so you can see the ledge. I have my nerd things on there. But it also has room for my washi tape storage bin. And over behind my desk I have another bin that's got, what do you call, dies, whatnot. And I brought all my little stamps, my twirly stamp thing. And I was able to hang this on this wall with all my ink storage. And then I've got just thread. And I have room here to be able to use my die cut machine, hopefully without too much other stuff in the way. And then behind my desk is Sally's storage. So, I don't know, do you want to show yours or just...
Well, it's certainly not as pretty. This is my mementos to put in scrapbooks that I haven't done yet. This has vinyl for my Cricut. This has my tools. Paper along those two. That's stuff for die cutting and other random stuff. That's paper pads and stickers, and then beading. And then
she's got a tall, isn't this a Billy?
That's a Billy
bookcase. Yeah. So she's got, so it goes clear up to the ceiling because it's kind of a low ceiling. But more storage. There are stamps and other things. More, is that paper down there?
Yeah.
And then she's got room on top of, this is an Calyx unit. So she's got a few things on here too. Also, let's see, my bookcase, I was able to fit my bookcase and my paper tower, my paper storage tower, here to the side of my desk. So I just have, up there in those drawers, I have stamps, and then on top I have, like shaker bits and stuff, inks, paper, more paper, and hiding back there in the corner is more sequins. And this is all just paper, mostly, you know, I've got lots of Doodlebug, I've got some fancy papers, I've got cardstock, I've got, I don't know, a whole section of Paige Evans. And then here is my messy little stack of bags and unfinished sewing projects. So that is pretty much it for in here. I do have another shelf in the guest room that I keep things on, so I will take you and show you that. But look at my beautiful view. I get to look at a palm tree when I craft. That is really awesome.
Yes.
Okay, this is another Billy bookcase. It's a little bit bigger. So up here I have, these are mostly empty albums, just waiting to be filled with goodness. I do have a couple of small mini albums, projects that I finished. More nerd stuff and more junk journal stuff. This is like big things that won't fit in a drawer. I've got some little drawers with like my coffee date papers, stuff, booklets and notebooks and whatnot. And down here I have all my Rolo Girls that I've made from Susie George Designs. They are so fun and cute, so fun to put together. Anyway, this is other things that won't fit. I don't even know. Some sewing, some crafting. Yeah. Got my pictures, more nerd stuff. And down here on the bottom shelf, you can fit the, what are those called? Iris cases. And so I have just like some pages that need to go in my scrapbooks and just some other random storage. And then over here I have a Kallax unit that fits my 12 by 12 albums. Most of these are full, but I do have some empty albums waiting to get pages. The Doodlebug albums, which are these right here, are real tight. They do fit, but they are very tight in there. So if you're looking to get a Kallax to fit your 12 by 12 albums, just keep in mind that those are really tight. And when they have pages in them, they're kind of hard. You have to lift up underneath the pages to slide it onto the shelf. So it's a little bit tricky to get them on there, but they do fit. I also have my printers on here. So this is my craft printer that will print my 12 by 12 papers. And then I have a nice photo printer. So that's about it. And my sewing table is over in the corner so that I can at least, you know, do some bigger projects. So that is about it. So hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with more videos soon.